What's up guys, the AIRSOFTEK here. So I did a video on the disassembly of my Specna Arms, and now it's open right and all that stuff, so I think I'm gonna do a little upgrade on it. So you know, if you got the Specna Arms Edge series, that you know that applies to you. So here are the stock components of it. So you know, the pet plate, you have your air nozzle that is plastic, no ring, nothing, right? So super basic. A cylinder, you know, cheap aluminum cylinder, and a piston head, a cylinder head, piston head here, right there. This is your piston, so you know, those pistons are not bad, but they can crack on the back right there, so I prefer changing it, but you know, that's not too bad. That's gonna be an upgrade for you know, like the gun is gonna be better, right? You're gonna have a little bit better semi-auto. Full auto is gonna be better, and you know, I'm gonna try to work on it to improve longevity of the airsoft gun itself. So yeah, so I'm gonna change a couple of things in there. So first of all, I'm just gonna remove everything, clean it, and I'm gonna install a nice Raven V2 ETG, right? So that's gonna be it. So that guy will become a Raven Evolution. Okay, so now everything is back together. I have degreased everything. I've shimmed my gears correctly. I've installed my electronic trigger group. That is an asshole, that is an asshole, and that is an asshole, and that is good. Everything is perfect. So I've kept the stock tappet plate because you know, it's fine, flexible and all that stuff, that's good. So I've put a max air adjustable air nozzle in there. This is a Crytac cylinder head. This is ZCI cylinder with a little bit of porting, you know, because I don't want too much over air volume. This is an SHS lightweight piston with an FPS high-speed polymer piston head. So now we have polymer here. So it should not destroy itself too much for the ERC, you know, all the way forward, right? I can push it a little bit, but you know. So now everything is assembled. I've put the chip 11.1 of discharge and Lucy rating. This is a Titan 11.1, so not a big deal. Sorry about that. So safe. Right, smile. Super snappy, right? And then photo. That's good. So the barrel looks to be a 370, I think. Oops, let's put them. Yeah, 370, and I have a 380. So this is a ZCI 6.02. And inside there, that's a basic knob. Does the job, right? But I have here FPS soft air 60° flat top. Right. So well, that's a first, right? So I grab that guy in there, try to put it in there, and it just, you know, right? It doesn't fit at all. So those stainless steel barrel doesn't fit in there, and even that guy that has a smaller diameter fit super tight in there. So I don't know if it's a QC issue or they're all designed that way, but that sucks. That's really bad. So I have to put back my fucking aluminum barrel. I'm still gonna do the flat top, but that sucks. Okay, so now it's crewing time using G&G 0.20 gram BBs. ZCI 140 round mags. Yeah. My crony is fucked, right? So we don't snap much because of my Gatling gun that destroyed it. That's pretty cool. So let's try to get one or two numbers at least. 394, 392, and 388, 390. So that's just perfect, just below that 400 FPS mark. So now let's turn the fun switch and see what it got. We can barely see, but it's 20.4. 20.5. So 390, around 390 and 20 FPS, RPS. So yeah, so that's super good and super snappy and semi-auto, right? So that's cool. So that was pretty much it for that build.
So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you have a great day. That was the AIRSOFTEK, and I'll catch you in the next one.